At this time, they've given me a list of resources guides, but they're telling me that their sheriff, Clark Millsap, says that our safety is first. If our safety is first, your safety is first as part of the community, why is it that during my defects case, none of these cases right here involve me, but they have a whole list of complaints that don't involve me? Here are my 2 records right here. But right now, I asked them for a copy of their arrest records and everything, and this is what they give me, a list of resources as I face a case against their corporation. And as me as acting agent, how is it that I'm being denied as we face a trial in less than 6 days? Therefore, I filed for these paperwork. I filed for this paperwork, ma'am, with your corporation in a timely fashion to where it's been over 3 weeks, ma'am, and I came to pick them up, and there's no regards to anything that I filed or requested through your office. But yet and still your sheriff says that your safety is first. Exactly whose safety is it that your sheriff is referring to, ma'am? Because it can't be mine. It can't be mine.
I need to get a record from 2010. I called up here earlier. It's a police report I filed. Ashley will find that.
Excuse me, ma'am. At this time, I'd like to let the record reflect that this is the treatment that I get from Clark Millsap. I've been homeless for 8 months. They've taken my house. They've killed my animals. But yet and still, he tells me that our safety, your safety is first. As a voter, as a citizen of this community, how is it that you can face me and even tell me that your safety is first within your community, and you've never came to face me out of the 8 months that I've been up here? None of my phone calls have been returned, ma'am.
Mr. Brown, you are to contact our attorney.
Why is it that I need to, ma'am, how is it Hugh Pettit, along with Chief Joe Ben Jenkins and the rest of the Pettits, have been working through your sheriff department? Look at the wall, ma'am. Do I need to go any further? Why would I need to sit back and talk to the same person?
Brown, if
Excuse
you
me.
can't bring your voice down and speak to
How come
me,
you can't speak to me and assist me?
I'm speaking. Will you please
But
listen?
you're not assisting.
Will you please listen? All right? And bring your voice down. Because I'm not yelling at you, but you're yelling at me.
I have a court
Mr.
case coming up Wednesday.
I'm not speaking, Mr. Brown. I'm not finished speaking. You don't know me. I've never dealt with you before. And therefore, you're not going to yell at me.
Ma'am, my house has been broken into. An infrared beam came by my house. The police department tried to kidnap me February 1st. My story made the front page.
You keep speaking over me.
I came to get documentation.
Our attorney that you're to contact him.
Ma'am, I have a court case pending. Your attorney has no legal jurisdiction over Richard Brown. I'm coming to your corporation, listen to me, ma'am, to get my records to prepare for a court case Wednesday. He represents your corporation. So therefore, you denying me my rights to due process, and please do tell me that you're denying me my due process right now, ma'am, under civil law. I'm not going under governed law. I'm not going under governed law. I'm going under civil and common law. I have rights to due process under the 4th, 5th. Ma'am, at this time you can see, just as Millsap always does in Bartow County, my house has been broken into, and there's not a person that can accuse me as a man, Richard Brown, of committing a crime. With that being said, I now rest my case when it comes to the point that Clark Millsap is not in the best interest of this community. Let's go, Jaya.